Cream cheese frosting is really simple to make and simple to remember. All you have to remember is everything is number one package of cream cheese, 1 cup of sugar, 1 stick of butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You want your cream cheese and your butter softened, so bring them out about 30 minutes to an hour before you bake them. The package of cream cheese will be 226 grams or 8 ounces. And you want to beat this on medium-low speed until it's nice and smooth and creamy, a lot like this. Next, you're going to use 1/2 cup of butter, 1 stick or 113 grams, and again, you're going to beat it until it's smooth. The reason why we don't beat them together is because it tends to give you lumps if you put the butter and cream cheese together, so I found this is the best method. You'll want to scrape the sides down and remix it just a few more moments. That way you're sure that the butter and the cream cheese is well blended together. Once you finish doing that, you're going to add in 1 cup of powdered sugar, which is 125 grams. And I like to add it about 1/4 at a time. That does two things. It makes it really nice and smooth without the grittiness. And also it keeps from having a big puff of powdered sugar all over your countertop. At this point, you would add in your extract if you're using it. I don't find it's necessary. I like the texture. It's very thick. You can turn the bowl upside down and it's not going to fall out. Visit us at jacksonsjob.com for more recipes, and be sure to like and subscribe. Say hi to Maggie, everyone. Happy baking.